We got the Z ready for go to the track, you feel me? We just gotta go get a trailer right now, and then we finna head to the track. We're a little late on time, pretty late. We had to wait till the trailer place open because we, you know, we're not very good with time. So we're gonna go head there, grab the trailer, load this bitch up, and then head to the track. We made it to the track. Now we have to go get teched, and we're late as hell.
Is that a trailer on a jack?
Yeah. Wow, that's crazy. Anyways, we gotta go through this water. We're gonna go get teched real quick, and then we're gonna go drive, hopefully.
Split shitty.
Yo, we going on the peanut. We just got our car teched. We should be good to go. We got our boy Houston finna get a ride on the track, you feel me? And we got whatever the fuck that thing is, bitch. I can't even see that shit. It's a whole ass truck though. What the hell, boy? Like, I'm like, what the fuck? But yeah, we finna get on this track, and we didn't really unload or anything because I'm too busy trying to get on this track because we already lost time. So, shit, fuck it. I hope I can go on the big truck today.
Nigga, where the fuck? Ow! Why you splashing? Where the fuck? Oh, nigga! Oh, where we going? Yes, sir. My boy did it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Going on that big track now, boy. Yes, sir. He finna go Steven. He finna go Steven. Him on the track for the first time. Yes, sir. Oh my God, I'm fed up. Tough. The turbo go crazy though. Yo, this man in the SS. Yo, this thing is low-key fire though, I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, hit that motherfucking flick. Come on out, gang. Yes, sir. He goes crazy. He been going crazy all day. All right now, Sam. That motherfucking speed now. Yes, sir. Nope, straightened out. Gotta get some more speed, gang. Gotta get some more speed.
went through the mud a few times, and now the car is completely dirty. We have mud every freaking heckin' where. Car is hot as hell. This tire is losing air, I think, because you see these front tires, I'm just understeering hella. Dirt everywhere, and my rear bumper came off, so that's pretty fun. What else? Yeah, so there's just mud everywhere. We got all this, and we might have to try to fix that flat or whatever this front tire is. Yeah, so I mean, but hopefully y'all can see some of me on the track. I don't have my GoPro. Well, I do, but I don't have the mount for it, so can't see much. But hopefully, yeah. Hopefully we can go back out again today. I want to, so.
That wasn't bad. There he goes. Turn out. Flicking hard. That was great. Yeah, that was good. Link it, please. Link it. Oh. He going crazy. Damn. He's going crazy. Oh man. Hey, bro. That's okay. Hey, bro. He linked the whole shit though. I ain't gonna lie. He's going back around. He's going crazy. Oh, he's feeling it now. Oh yeah, that was his best lap. That was a great lap. That was a good lap.
Alrighty, so it's 5 o'clock now. Austin's here. We had the tent up. Everybody's leaving. Track's closed. It's a good day. The car is not broken. I wouldn't say all that, but it's not, it's just muddy really. I mean, we took the bumper off and I think my turn signal ripped off whenever I dropped it in the thingy, you know what I'm saying? Whenever I hit the mud, my whole right side of the bumper came off. We kind of ripped it off. So yeah, so that's kind of the only thing that's really messed up. I mean, Kendas, you know, they still have really decent, I mean, they have about half their life left. Tire wear good. Man, this thing is just dirty. Dirty. And definitely gonna need some new fronts. Right, Houston?
Yes, sir, Ski.
We definitely gonna need some new fronts. Hopefully, next time we're doing this, we're gonna have 1, 2 more cars. Right?
Yep.
Of course. And then the truck, the RSX, and time for my happy ass to sit down. Alrighty, we got everything loaded up. We're gonna pick up this trash and then clean SS over there. I think sounds so mean. We got Houston doing very good organizing over here. I would have not been able to do this. We got a tire right there. You know, we got the car all strapped up. Extra wheel that honestly we couldn't have used anyways if we needed it. Car is good. Cleaning up, you know, just now we gotta fix the car when we get home. Try to do as much stuff to it, but I appreciate Houston's help today, and I appreciate Austin's help today. So yeah, we just gotta get this car running bigger and better all the time. So yeah, so it was a very good day at IAS. I can't wait to drive here again. I can't wait to drive more comp. I just gotta get better, you know, get some new tires on the front and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I will see y'all on the next episode of Sam drives a drift car and beats the fuck out of it. Alrighty, well, we're headed home from the track. It was a good day. I think I learned a lot for sure. Right, Houston? Or you sleep? Oh, he sleep. Anyways, yeah, we learned a lot. We got the car, trailer, and home. Luckily, nothing's really too bad. We just got to really clean it off, and hopefully that's it. But yeah, definitely want to start going to the track more. That shit was fun. As long as this car just keeps loving me as much as I love it. So, yeah. Well, hopefully there's another episode of this coming to you shortly. Peace out.